Mutton chops are a delicious and flavorful dish enjoyed by many. Here's a basic recipe for making mutton chops. Ingredients: 1. 4-6 mutton chops. 2. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 3. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 4. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 5. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 6. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 7. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 8. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 9. Salt, to taste. 10. 2 tablespoons yogurt. 11. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 12. 2 tablespoons oil. 13. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped, for garnishing. Instructions. Marination. 1. Wash the mutton chops thoroughly and pat them dry with a paper towel. 2. In a bowl, mix together ginger paste, garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, yogurt, lemon juice, and oil to create a marinade. 3. Coat the mutton chops with the marinade. 4. Make sure each chop is well covered. 5. You can use your hands or a brush to apply the marinade. 6. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the chops marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2-4 hours, or ideally overnight. 7. This allows the flavors to penetrate the meat. Cooking. 1. Preheat your grill, barbecue, or stovetop grill pan over medium-high heat. 2. Once the grill is hot, place the marinated mutton chops on it. 3. Cook for about 5-7 minutes on each side, or until the chops are nicely browned and cooked to your desired level of doneness. 4. You can baste the chops with some additional oil or marinade while grilling to keep them moist and flavorful. Serving. 1. Once the mutton chops are cooked, remove them from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes. 2. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves for added freshness and flavor. 3. Serve the mutton chops hot with naan, roti, or rice. 4. You can also serve them with some mint chutney or onion rings on the side. Enjoy your delicious homemade mutton chops. Remember, cooking times may vary depending on the thickness of the chops and the heat of your grill or stove. It's important to ensure that the meat is cooked through before serving. You can use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. It should reach at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius for medium rare doneness. Adjust the cooking time accordingly if you prefer your chops more well done.